still going. Relax, Stormzy. We've a load of Gaeilge to do. Lads, Aindriú de Paor is here. For those of you who don't know, if you've been living under a rock, me and Johnny B are part of the Creidim Ionat initiative. We are trying to improve our Gaeilge, lads. And we have undertaken the task of singing Os Gaeilge, our song, When I Play for the County.
Yes.
Andrew, last week, we got through the chorus.
Which is half the song. We're flying it.
The first chorus. I mean, we're doing well. We're on to the verses, which means it's time for my close-up. Here is the original, lads.
Can you shoot left and right? Can you score goals and pints? I've got no time for girls. I just want helmets and hurls.
Lyrical geniuses, I know. I know. It's up there. It's up there with some Christy Moore.
Some of the greatest stuff
So,
ever.
can you shoot left and right? Can you score goals and pints? I've got no time for girls.
I just want helmets and hurls.
There you go.
Simple as that.
I mean, it's very easy to do in English.
Yeah.
How easy is it to do as Gaeilge?
Good news for you, Smacks. You have the Mochaneloch.
I mean, those 3 weeks I spent shifting and dancing in the Gaeltacht is coming back to me.
So, obviously, can you shoot left and right? So, we all know left and right is clay, agus das.
Yeah.
Now, at the same time, it's very, very long in Irish.
Yeah.
So, what we've done is we've just gone for both sides.
Mm-hmm.
So, ha heave.
Yeah.
So, a feather immert ha heave.
Fader immert Gaeilge.
Perfect.
Yeah.
And then, can you score goals and pints? I changed that to, would you score goals and pints? Because it fits better. So, it's the Mochaneloch.
Yeah.
A score all a cool is punty.
A score all a cool is punty.
Yeah, perfect. So, it would be August, but August is
First
too
time in
long.
my entire life I've ever understood the Mochaneloch.
Yeah.
He's just explained it to me.
I spent 6 years in school.
He's just managed to do what they didn't manage to do in 6 years.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Andrew, you're a genius.
They're teaching kids about the lotto. What would you do if you won the lotto?
Andrew.
Would you score goals and pints? Is where it's at. Right?
There you go. Yeah.
So, I've no time for girls. So, obviously, girls is Colleeny.
Yeah.
But for a better rhyme, I've gone for Mná,
Mina. Yeah.
women.
Yeah.
So, it is be igum do Vná. So, I've no time for women.
Okay.
So, I'll try that. Be igum go Vná.
Aumer bit a gum do vana.
Yeah, so I think with the song you might have to say, do a bit of Connemara on it and say it might fit it in, but it's grand. We can come to that when we play music
Yeah,
with it, right?
yeah.
And then the final bit is, I just want helmets and hurls. So Neil ach clogad is come on.
Neil ach clugged is come on.
There you go.
Well,
Now, do you want to try
I'll
it?
try and put them all together.
Right.
Fader immert Gaeilge, a score all a cool sprinty. Aumer bit a gum do vana. Neil clugged is come on.
He has it.
There we go.
He has it. He's
Natural.
natural.
When you're working with
I'm
such
out here
musical
10
talent.
years.
Shut up.
Come on. Andrew, I'm feeling good on the first part of that verse. Here's the second.
People will know my name, but I don't care about fame. I sure all the same. Be grand to see myself on the Sunday game.
Now.
There you go.
I know. Let's just take a moment.
Take that in.
Bask in the excellence. Thank you.
So, people will know my name. So, by my animar olasaka.
Beg manum olasaku.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But I don't care about fame. So to be famous, tá Clú agus cáilir dinne. So you're well known. So we went with Clú. So agus cumalum fain glue.
Agus cumalum foin glue.
Perfect. Ach tá is at hen. Sure, you know yourself.
Atá is a good fan.
Yeah.
Have you?
Das me echo there in Sunday game.
Das me ekal there on Sunday game.
There you go. Brand name. Can't change that. Trademarked.
Trademark. Copyright. TM.
Yeah. Had to work around it. So
Okay.
by my animar olasaka agus cumalum fain glue. Ach tá is at hen. Das me echo there in Sunday game. So by my animar aku, as you would say.
Yeah.
Agus cumalum fain glue. Ach tá is at hen. Das me echo there in Sunday game. Do you want to give that a go?
Big man amar olasaku. Agus cumalum foin glue. Tá is a good fan. Das me ekal there on Sunday game.
Tell you boys, we're not
He
far
has
off
it.
it.
You're not far off it.
We're getting there.
We're getting there, Andrew.
Yeah.
Week by week by
few
week.
shavus, few arrows. Besides that, we're there.
We're getting closer and closer every week, Andrew. We're improving the whole time. If people want to follow our journey, Andrew.
Yes, hashtag Creidim Ionat on all your social medias. You'll find stuff there. You can follow at Foras na Gaeilge. It's an initiative with them and RT. They're letting us do this somehow. And you can follow our journey as well as all the other mentors and mentees at forasnagaeilge.ie. If you go to Creidim Ionat there, you can also get discounts on Irish language classes, so you can come and learn it with us. So head there, have a look at it, give it a go.
Buzzing, lad. I'm buzzing. We're getting...
I'm going to do that.
This is
I'm gonna
going
do
so
class.
much better than I thought it would.
Yeah, to be honest, lad.
Here, there's ad-libs in this song. Do you want me to be the backing singer?
Yeah! I was waiting for somebody to ask.
Because like he goes,
Yes.
I have no time for girls, and someone in the background goes, I do, so you can do that.
Perfect.
And then it's like, nice to see myself on the Sunday game again.
I'm sitting here selling myself non-stop.
You're in, Afric.
Thank you.
You're in.
Thank
There you go.
you.
We found a backing singer and all. As Andrew said, forasnagaeilge.ie, hashtag Creidim Ionat, lads. You can follow our Gaeilge journey all there. Coming up is... What
you
you saying? What's that in Irish?
Kurtzera.
That's on the way. It's all coming up after Chubby Cat. What's Chubby Cat in Irish?